And special thanks to my friends at Supcase who were nice enough to send me this Unicorn Beetle grip case for the 2025 iPhone 17 Max. Now inside of this case is a beautiful Unicorn Beetle grip case. Nothing else in there. And so, if I was to slide this out, the warranty information, and look at this case. This is very freaking nice. So there is a camera button here, your power button, volume rockers, and your switch for your silence. At the bottom, your speaker grills, your USB-C, little wristband or necklace straps there. And of course, all of your cutouts for this massive camera. Now, to of course put your iPhone 17 Pro in here, I would start on these 3 buttons, push that side in, and then you'll see it just kind of pops right down into place like so. Now you do get these amazingly thick corners, as you can kind of see there. Those are good and thick. If you drop your phone, you've got some great protection there. You would need to get you a screen protector, but that is no problem. And the best part, and one of my favorites, is not only the color, but the fact that you can just take this out and set it down to watch you some videos, horizontal or vertically while you're on lunch, and then easily just fold it back down, right out of the way. Absolutely stellar case from my friends over at Supcase. Love the color, love the feel, love the grip. Definitely an amazing case, as always. So, thanks again to my friends at Supcase who were nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.